What's up, family? Welcome back to Junior Media HD. What's poppin'? What's good? How's your day going? Well, today's Sunday, and I wanted to do a video for you guys and trying to do something different for the channel. Um, I don't want this channel to be one thing. I want it to be much more like a vlog type of atmosphere, reviews, and all that good stuff. But just basically just me, right? And like I said on one of my first videos, wherever channel goes, it goes. But what I wanted to do today is review something that I'm putting on my car. I know you guys probably seen in the back shots of some of my videos of the car that I have currently. I have a 2015 Dodge Challenger SXT Plus. What I'm doing today, well, by the way, I will be doing an in-depth review of my car. Some of the stuff that I've done in the past, costs, the wear, how do I like it, was it worth it, so on and so forth. So I'll kind of give you guys a back drop on that soon. But today I want to review Oil Cash Can, which I'm putting on my car. So I've done a lot of research on this, going online and kind of see, is it worth it? Does it do anything for a car? And I've majority of the reviews say that something's good, right? And mechanics out there kind of can let you guys know exactly what it does. But basically, it kind of takes out all the toxins, the bad oil, leftover stuff that goes back in your motor, to not go back in there. So this catch can device collects it all, and ever so often you take it out and clean it out. So I got my cash can off of eBay. Another thing too that I've saw, don't try to go out there and try to get something that's so expensive. What it does is very basics. One tube goes in one end of the motor, the other tube goes in the other. And what happens is once the motor's running, it filters out and collect the residues and you throw it out. There's not much that you need to do. Don't get one that's really, really cheap where it kind of leaks or falls off or it doesn't, rust or whatever it may be. Just get a decent one. So I got one from this company called Black Path, and it was $80. And I also got a discount off of eBay, which was like 15%. So it came out, it's like somewhere around $7. So not that bad at all. It's aluminum. It's very good. So I'll show you guys it in a minute. So I'll kind of run through what I have, how I'm going to install it, where I'm going to place it. And you guys let me know what you think. Definitely, man, if you guys have this Oil Cash Can, if you guys have a Dodge Challenger or whatever, man, or any kind of car, let me know in the comments, man. How you guys like it? Is it good? If you guys have it for a year, 6 months, is it worth it? Right? So just let me know. All right. So first off, let's see exactly what I got. So what I got in the box, which is from eBay, which the guy shipped it out of USPS, Priority Mail, and it came in a box like this, right? So what came in the box was a dog tag. Well, not a dog tag, but a keychain, whatever you want to call it. The directions, which really sucks. I'm a very big picture guy. That's how I was in school. So if you don't provide pictures for me, you just provide words and direction. Doesn't really. Sometimes I don't really get it, but hey, that's me. I'm a visual learner, and it came with this as well. Thank you for buying Amazon, eBay, whatever, whatever. Right? So these are exactly what I got. The top part of the Oil Cash Can, this is where it has a little filter. And if you look in the inside, so the oil comes in one end, goes down, it sucks back up, whatever it can, but it will suck back the air, and it doesn't filter through all the bad toxins, right? So this is a little quote-unquote filter thingamajigger, and these are the fittings that goes on each side. As you can see, one goes here, and then one goes over there. Came in this little bag. This right here is what you use to screw on the side over here. I'm sorry, the side over here, which this screws on top of this, right? You got all these different fittings. They give you actually a little Allen key to use to install it. People actually install it in different areas of the car. I think where I'm gonna install mine is in this corner right here. So the fender has this little L-shaped bracket that comes out that I think I'm gonna put it there. Some people put it here. I've even seen people put it back there. Some people put it over there, so on and so forth. So I think this spot right here would be the best spot for me. And what I'll do is install it right here and have the tubes kind of go from here to one side, the other two go on the other side, and connects back there where in the motor over here. Okay, so I get it darker for you guys so you guys can see. So back in that area over there. All right. That's my little throttle bike spacer in the back. So I think that's how I'm gonna do it. Right off the bat, if I want to give the product a quick review, I think packaging was good, but it would have been nice if it came in like their box. I mean, with their logo on it, and not just like that. Maybe it's for them to save costs. I mean, I'm with it. If the product is good, it is what it is. And also directions. They need to provide better directions than these. It's like somebody just went on, Microsoft Word and just typed this up real quick because they forgot or they didn't have enough copies. Like, hey, we gotta type it up real quick, send it. So I wish that was better. So I'm gonna try. I'm winging it. I'm pretty handy, so I think I'll be able to figure it out. We do have the wonderful world of YouTube to look things up. So definitely I'm gonna do that as well if I get stuck. I think the tube. Oh shoot! I forgot to show you guys the tube. So this is a tube that it came with. So basically, you'll cut it in half wherever you need to cut it in half at, and connect it on here, right? One thing that they didn't include for the piping, which connects to this right here, they didn't include any clamps. I think that would be essential. You know what I mean? Even though the way these fittings work, once it's in, and air or liquid doesn't go through, but having that clamp, you know what I mean, keeps it safe, because you never know. Oil might get through, it might get slip over time, something might tug on it and pulls out or whatever. So they should have included that as well. So I'm going to go to Lowe's or Home Depot to just get another piece of that piping to just make sure that I have enough to go through the funnel through the car. And also get some clamps. So I'm gonna do that as well. So I'll kind of show you guys piece by piece what I'm doing. This won't be a quote unquote installation video. I just kind of show you what I'm doing for the day and doing for the car. There's a million of installation videos out there, way better than I could do, right? So I'll do that, show how it looks, and then we'll go from there. All right. So let me start putting these pieces together, and then I'll show you where I'm at, and from there, we'll see if we need additional piping. I still gotta go. I might just go to Walmart to get the clamps. If they do have it over there, but we'll get back to that. All right, guys. So to just give you guys a little progress, I screwed in this little L bracket here to the top of the device. Right now, I'm about to put it all together. Like I showed you, it's just a filter that's in the bottom. So you just screw this up top, which is pretty good. I don't know if you guys can see. It has the rubber fitting on here, so it allows it not to leak. And the way you change it is by unscrewing it down here, right? Pour it out or whatever if you need to clean whatever you need to clean, which is cool. So for what I'm going to do now is screw in the top portion of it, and then test fit it to where I actually want to place it. All right, so let me do that, and let me actually show you guys what I've got done on this side as well. As you can see, I put in this rubber, this fitting on this side, and this is the screw that it goes to with the washer. So I think I'm gonna place it right there, so you can see it'll probably look like something like so. So we'll see how that looks. Because I don't know how would I get the, maybe if I put the PV, if I linger it this way. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do some maneuvering here. I'm gonna try to figure out how I want to place it. All right. So let me do that, and then we'll get back at it. All right. So got all the pieces in together. One thing I kind of notice is this one screws in really easy, right? This one's kind of tough though, and I really don't like that. I'm going to do a review on the strut bar that I put on the back of the car, which I had an issue with that because it was the guy who made it in his factory didn't thread it correctly, and I don't know if it's the same thing that's going on with this right now. So I don't like that. Like it's really tough. It's kind of upsetting to tell the truth. Um, where you see this one goes in flush, clean. But this one look at all that thread, and it's like already really hard to screw in. So I'm gonna play around with that. Some of the pieces that I see here that I don't know what they're for is this right here, this screw right here. So I don't know if I'm missing a step. Um, so which is odd. Why is that screw there? And then I get two other screws. These two other screws. I know one of the screw is to go on top of here to screw the other device on top of here on the bracket. But I don't know what this screw is for. So, all right. So let me do that, and then we'll go from there.
These should be on the bottom, right? Yeah. But he kind of made up a little bit, but still, those three turnovers basically did it. Yeah, because we can't remember. No, yeah, that was it. Yeah. Right. All right, cool. Appreciate it, man. You too, man.
All right, family. I had to go to the store, and I had to get some clamps. Like I said, I would. All right. So I each came in a pack of two, and I got them at Lowe's. weren't that expensive, and I went to O'Reilly's and got another piece of tube. All right. So I'm gonna use this just in case the one that they sent me wasn't enough. So I just wanted to be on the safe side. So I got this all hooked up like I shown before. So I'm gonna start setting it up, start mounting it where I want it to be at, and then from there we'll go and then just make sure that everything is copacetic. All right. All right. So let me do that and get right back with you guys. Peace. All right, guys. So I had to go to O'Reilly's and pick up some additional parts. Come to find out, man, these clamps, hose clamps, are cheaper here at O'Reilly's than they are at Lowe's. So I shouldn't be buying stuff at O'Reilly's, not Lowe's, anyways, for stuff for my car. You know what I mean? So I got these hose fittings, or adjusters, or whatever you want to call it. Because the hose from the car and the hose from the actual catch can are two different sizes, which I wish it was included and it was told in the directions when I bought the orange catch can, because it just had me doing a whole bunch of extra stuff that I wasn't planning on doing. So I got what I need. I'm gonna return the other clamps that I got from Lowe's to them because it comes out cheaper for me to get these. They were like $3 each. And I got 4 from Lowe's for $4, almost $5. So it's better to get these. So I'm gonna do that, go to the house, and then we go from there. All right. All right, family. This is where I'm at right now. I got the clamps in. I got these 2 on this one, 2 on that one, which I'll be using when I put the this part in the tubes on this side, so I can make sure that they're clamped down. So I got this jump off here, and one other one over here. All right, so I got the bigger ends on here and there, which I'm gonna connect over here, and then we're gonna put that in there, all right, and we'll be all set. Go. All right, guys, I'm at the finished product. You can see it's starting to get dark. So this is my current setup right now. All right, we got the oil cash can on here. I got the little brackets on, the hose clamps. This is pretty, it's very sturdy. I got a winder right next to the window washer container fluids, piped around this way. One's connect right here. I didn't need to put a hose clamp on that one. It's pretty tight. And obviously this piece right here is factory. And it goes up top here, right? And I put a whole clamp on that one just because it's a little loose. I didn't like how loose it is, so I cut. These are my leftovers I have. Like I said, it looks really good. It looks really, 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 really good. I'm very satisfied with it. So yeah, so I'll drive it to see how it goes. Some of the pieces I'm going to return. So yeah, so that shouldn't be that bad. So I'll be able to get all that set up, done, and well. But yeah, so this is my video for today. Definitely want to thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. In the comments, just let me know how you guys did your setup. What did you guys do different? What did you guys like or didn't like? Give me some pointers. It's kind of like my first video of an install. I'll definitely give you guys a review. Kind of let you know via social media, Instagram, whatever it is, how I like it, and if it's working, everything looks well. But like I said, it looks pretty good. It's simple. It wasn't that hard to set up. It's just some of the fittings were different that I had to go to the store and look for. Follow my Instagram, Juniors Media HD. All that is in my about section on my YouTube page. And that's that, man. Y'all already know what time it is. Keep God first. Pursue your dreams, man. Don't let nobody stop you. Stay positive. Treat people the way you want to be treated. That's key. Be humble. All right. And that's that, man. So we're gonna close this video. I should be uploading something else pretty soon. And we'll go there. Holla. Oh.